very bad, and I've made a big mess, and now I'm going to clean it up. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Watch Me Work live stream number 102 here in the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel. So this is live stream number, Watch Me Work live stream number 102, and as you know, over 100 live streams, I've done quite a few things to my live Joomla site, and so I was going to clean that up. So along the way, I'm sure we're going to find some mysterious and wonderful things, and yes, so we will get going here. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for your Joomla site or WordPress site if you have one of those. And while you're there, check out all of the great time-saving tools and information that is there that will help you maintain one or multiple websites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you'll get your first month free. All right, so let's turn our attention over to the screen here. Whoops, that's not the one I want. That's the one I want. As I said, my basic Joomla site has been the victim of many experiments on live streams, and over time it's become quite messy. And we actually saw that in the 100th episode when we were playing Joomla Jenga, where we were taking turn, where we had it was Bjorn and Chuck who were taking turns turning off plugins one at a time to see what it would take to crash the site. And we found out that it was very robust. Thank you, Susan. My wife's just bringing me in a snack here. It was very robust. We couldn't crash Joomla, but while they were playing, I noticed there's a lot of garbage on my site. So that's what I'm going to clean it up today. So, hey, if you are watching live, don't forget to say hi in chat and give the video a like. And if you are watching on a replay or haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. All right, so we're going to get into some more different complicated things here on the site. There's one thing that you will notice, that in the back end I have tried a content override, template override in the back end, and you'll see whenever I go and make a new article, the first thing that comes up is the options tab, not content. And I actually did that because I was trying to get the field tab to show up first, and we've never been successful on that yet. I'll keep trying, but for now I'll probably reset that back later. But the journey to cleaning up the site begins with me going into extensions, manage, and manage. Now I have backed up the site, so if I mess up things badly or something happens, or lose something that I wanted, I can restore it. And I will probably back up a few times along the way as well. Just a second. Okay, so what have I got on here? The best way to see what has been added most recently is to sort the ID column by clicking at the top. Hello, Serge. Good to see you. And let's just go down through a few things here. JCE Pro. Actually, I accidentally removed it from my site last night. I was working on some other ideas for Watch and Work live stream that hopefully that maybe will see the light of day in future episodes. But I was working on a test site instead of this site, but I had it open and I was in the wrong window. Hello, Bjorn. In the wrong window, and I uninstalled JCE from this site. So that's the danger when you have a couple of Joomla sites open. If you lose track of which window is what, you are in trouble. All right. Okay, so JPEL, there's a library for EXIF. I don't know what that is. All right, let's get a few more things happening here, a few more pages. All right, so if you've got anything new happening, or go ahead and say it in chat. We'll just hang out together today. All right. isotope for easy layouts. Keep easy layouts on here. R2H image manager, yes. Gantry 5 framework. Now, I don't think I have any Gantry 5 templates in use on here. Let's just check that out. No, I do not. So I can get rid of the Gantry 5 framework. And by the way, by my removing these, it doesn't mean that they're bad or anything like that. They're just not what I'm using on the site. And there are things that we had on there for different tutorials. So let's remove the Gantry framework, Gantry 5 framework, and we will just click the box and go uninstall. And it is gone. All right, now what else we got down here? Protostar, CAPTCHA, CB and spam. No. J Media. What is J Media? Thank you. J Media. Let's check that out. When did we do that? J Media. Oh, this is another media manager for seeing different folders. For seeing. Okay, cool. But I haven't been using that, so I will remove it. And we'll go uninstall. Okay. So here at CyberSalt World headquarters, we were supposed to get rain. We had another huge storm yesterday. Lots of rain, but it's actually kind of nice out. We are in a bit of a rain shadow where my city, my part, the southern tip of Vancouver Island. In the shadow of rain shadow from the Olympic Peninsula across the way. So maybe that's what's giving us a nice day here today. Mod J Media icons. Huh, that's probably an extension and modules there. Ivor, the extension I used a while ago to clean unused images was R2H. I'll show that to you right now because I was going to clean up some images. Let's just finish up with J Media. No, I did not make a list when we were playing Joomla Jenga, Bjorn. That would be highly organized of me, wouldn't it? All right. It's an administrator module for theme expert. So I'm going to uninstall that. All right. So Ivor, it's R2H image manager. Now I have two here. So one is one version, one is the other. Let's see which one it is. Well, in fact, let's just go back to manage. Let's go R2H. And we'll see the two here. So here's R2H Framework 1.0. And here's the Framework Library 1.0. System license. Oh, I'm not sure which one to remove there. Oh. R2H Image Manager Component 2. And here's Image Manager Component 1.1. So I'm going to remove the 1.1. Hopefully it doesn't take things that I need. If not, I'll fix it. All right, we still have, this R2H Image Manager Library 2. I bet you I can take out this library that's 1.01, and I'll take out this one that's plugin that's off. And the system license for 1.05, I'm going to guess is old as well. We'll just take those. I'll take a risk and remove the version 1 things here. And now let's go to R2H Image Manager here. And it's generating thumbnails. Bjorn says he bought it. It's never got to the point of installing it. Yeah. All right, so here we are. Let's see. The lock.jpg is an image that does not exist anywhere. It's red. So if we click on I Love Old Time Radio, we see that it is being used. I thought maybe there was information here and where it is, but lock is not there. So let's see if we click on that and we can move it to trash. Okay. And the same with the poppy is not being used. Now, of course, remember with R2H Image Manager, we saw that it looks in most places, but if you're using an image in an extension that it's not looking in, you might actually be breaking an image on your site. Oh, you tried, but you weren't able to get it working. Oh, okay. You should, yeah, Bjorn, check with Peter Martin. I had an issue with the latest one that I installed with one of. Oh, that's not Peter Martin. No, that's Rick Spann. Check with Rick Spann on that. Rick watches on the channel sometimes, so I'm sure since you bought it, he would help with things going. That his company would do that. All right, so now this is showing red here. Let's go into contest files. Okay, there's the logo there. So obviously, something is working here. Form for the future. Let's go into contests. These are all green. Yep. Graphics. All right, this was used just as a test image on a live stream, I remember. So we can click on that and we can go and move it to trash. And then this is going all red afterwards, which is not correct. Let's see here. If we refresh this, reload those contents. Okay, so maybe there's something not quite working right in this that I should contact Rick about. So I will do that later. A little phone call coming in here, so we will. Oh, that's the Ministry of Finance reminding me of something. Okay, so asteroid template 0. Okay, these. Oh, hello. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
I'm calling from the PSD office, Provincial Sales Tax Office of the Ministry of Finance.
Right.
I'm a review.
sorry about that, everybody. I got that call and I knew it was from the government. I went to hang up on it, and then I could hear a person saying, hello, hello. So I accidentally had answered it, and it was good to be talking to a person. So I figured, okay, I'll just, I need clarification on whether I charge provincial taxes or not with my new company. So I appreciate that. Okay. Yeah. Now, what's happening here? Let's see. Chuck, yeah, Zulima, hello. And hello, Chuck. In chat, boss not there. What Ken says, oh, you can say what you want. Yeah, because I'm here in France. When the cat is down, mice are dancing. Yeah, we have that in Canada. When the cat's away, the mice will play. Mary, you bought something that, oh, you use the Options Manager. Yes, that is really great. I've been enjoying Options Manager. And then Bjorn's got latest article on security on there. Cool. Yes, very nice. Let's do this here. Oh, yes, chat on right. Live stream, right computer screen. Okay. And you guys are talking. Serge's Web 54, yes. Send an email. Okay, cool. You guys are chatting away, and that's great. So appreciate your patience just while I accidentally took that call. Okay, so we're in not doing J Media now. We are in here. I wonder if there's an update for this. Sections manage and update. Find updates. Could be wrong. Okay. Do. I'll make a note here. That. The only update is for J events. I don't think I use that either on this site. Where is the Slack? Yes, where is the Slack? The Slack. I bet you someone's probably already getting a link for it here. Let me just get in here quickly, though, because I'm remembering where that is. To go and put an invite to the Slack channel. Invite. Copy. Here's the link to the Slack channel, everyone. There you go, Serge. That will get you in. Serge was searching and never found a solution to find what are the plugins really working on your site. Well, the great thing is, Serge, what you could do is just turn them off one at a time and actually and check out the functionality for things. And if you end up getting a white screen of death by turning it off, remember you can go into the database and into the plugins and you can reactivate them. In fact, the easiest way is to bring up the database of plugins in order and just change the 1 to 0 to turn off one plugin at a time and refresh your site. Hello, Stacy. This is exactly what you needed. Excellent. What exactly? Because there's a lot happening on chat. All right, so I'm going to leave this here for later. Unused images. Oh, and here's a link to saying unused images. Favicon, logo. How to reset your Joomla site? Oh yeah, a couple things with double .jpegs here. Look, we can even see those images. I'm not using that one. Let's see. Obviously, these are wrong here. Not using this favicon. Huh. I guess I'm going to have to trust them that these are things I'm not using. But let's get rid of just these things for now. Of course, if I break my site, it wouldn't be the first time. But anyways, we'll tidy these images up. And we will trash them. And okay. Looks like another thing that's not used there. All right, we'll get all that. Let's go back to Joomla up here in the left. Oh, someone else said, yes, Stacy. There's not really a group in Facebook, but we do have the Slack group. So, and that link I just posted just up there in chat. So, okay. So let's see here. Let's go extensions and manage and manage. Let's close these extra tabs here. Okay. Let's clear this filter. And okay, and now let's go back down here to J events. I do not think that I'm using J events for anything. I was going to post a schedule of things on the stream and stuff like that, and never really got around to it. I have 3 past events that are on here. And so I'm not going to do that. So let's go to J events. J events. And then, yeah, now I can remove everything here. Everything here is related to GWE systems. Sometimes other extensions will have something like, let's say that ACY Mailing would have a plugin that will display J-event things in a newsletter. So a good way to remove just what's in an extension is to just remove what is actually in the component. Look down your list, look to type, just remove the component. Or actually package, probably. Let's try package. Uninstall package. And it may do everything. Alright, almost everything, but then we still have 3 things here. What if we uninstall the installer? No. We have these last 2 things. I use J events on a lot of other things. Brian in Texas. Okay. Okay. Oh, interesting to check the speed of the site before and after. Yeah, could do that. Let's try this. GT Metrics. Let's do it through gtmetrics.com. Whoops, a daisy. That's what we want to do. And we'll go to HTTPS. We'll do a speed test there. Today is an appointment at the bank to go and set up some new corporate accounts for my company. So I can switch. I'm switching away from my sole proprietorship. I'm very excited to get that organized. I've actually delegated things to someone who's running my, who's going to take care of my books for me. So that is great. I could have signed in. Let's log in here. They were having connectivity issues. Ba-ba-da-da-do-do. Oh, Bjorn moved from an F to a C on speed test for Joomla Forever when you tidied up the CSS and minimized it. Cool. All right, here's the base thing here. 67 structure. Blocking time. Okay, so there's what our score is there. It's also let's do this. Let's go to page speed test, and it'll bring up Google page speed insights. Let's go HTTPS colon basicjoomla.com and put a WWW in there, and we'll analyze that. And we will see. 14 for mobile, 51 on desktop. All right, so there's the My Sites.guru page. Let's clear the search, and we'll go back to here. Now, all right, Quantum Manager. I use JCE Editor. Quantum Manager is really nice and coming along, but I just don't use it on this site, so I'm going to uninstall that. Yanis, I am doing well. Happy New Year to you. Yanis from Web357. And I have not forgotten about the video that I was going to do for you. I actually have that squirreled away inside of my ClickUp management tool. So yeah, everybody, Yanis has, we've looked at Yanis's login as user, which is great. I was also going to contact you, Yanis, about another channel that I am starting, and I'm hoping to connect with Joomla. I'm hoping to connect with Joomla programmers who also have WordPress extensions, because that is what the topic of the channel will be. I'm not going to be live streaming on that, but it's part of my channel sponsorship with mysites.guru. I'm going to start a WordPress channel to help people manage that. And I know that you've got, I know that login as user works for WordPress as well. So I'm hoping to feature Joomla programmers, especially who have WordPress plugins as well. So. All right. I hope none of you judge me too heavily for that. So, extensions, manage. Let's go back here. Okay. Now here's something I've broken. Extensions, manage. Class Quantum Manager helper not found. So I removed something that is that I needed. Great. So we kind of knew that was coming, right? Let me just move to chat on the right stream. 6,000 active installations. Good for you. I've been told that it's very hard to break into WordPress because there is just so many plugins for things. So that's partly why people. And the other thing, people tell me, "Oh, it's very different. It's hard." So I just figure, well, hey, what the heck, we'll give it a try. Right, I need to change screens here. Chat on right, because I need to go into my hosting. screen here, root. Oh, I typed that wrong. Try that again. And list the accounts, and we're going to basic Joomla, and we'll just drag that over to here. All right, we're going to right click. There we go. So what do you do when you get the white screen of, well, this isn't the white screen of death. Maybe we call this the blue bar of death, where you've broken something in the back end. So obviously when I just removed Quantum Manager, something did not go very well. Now I have a couple options here. I could go extensions, manage, and install, if that will work. And I could install Quantum Manager again, and then try harder not to break it. But what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to go into the database, phpMyAdmin, and I'm going to go to basic Joomla database here, and I'm going to search in the whole database for the word quantum, select all, and go. And I'm probably going to look down to extensions, maybe. Okay, extensions. 9 extensions have quantum in them. And I get down here, Cyb overrider. I have no idea what that is. History, update sites. Yeah, so I'm going to go into extensions. And we're going to see, okay, so here we have a plugin. Quantum Manager, Media Icon Manager, Quantum UTheme Pro. Oh, it's probably Quantum for UTheme Pro. Quantum Manager button, content, Quantum SP Builder, Quantum Manager config, and then there's something at SH404SCF that has Quantum in it. But, now check this out. We have package ID. So these are all from the same package ID. This one is not. But also we see the extension ID over here, which if I were able to list the extensions in the manager, I would be able to see the order that everything was installed. And so I'm going to deduce that it is safe for me to check these things here, because these are all from the same package. This Quantum Manager is 11908. Is quite a way off of these numbers here, which are 1200. So I think I probably installed it twice or did an update. But I feel confident that I can just uninstall from the database these particular files. Now, that's not going to these particular references. That's not going to uninstall the plugin folders or package folders for Quantum. It was the actual files in the server. So probably it'd be easier for me to reinstall Quantum Manager and then uninstall it, and maybe that would grab everything. But yes, these lines in the tables. Yeah, so I'm in the I am in Cyb. I'm in the extensions table. And these, I'm going to delete these rows. So I'm just going to delete those. I'm going to say yes. And we'll go back to the back end, refresh. Oh my goodness. Come on now. Quantum Manager Helper. Not found. Still not there. All right. Well, let's go back here. We'll try that again. Search. Quantum. Select all. And go. Action logs, mail, content, browse. Oh, it's still in there. Well, yeah, that's a SH404SCF. By the way, when you're searching like this, if you go all the way, if you don't open a different tab, you can go up and down and still find just the line that you want. If I were to right-click and open this new tab to browse, it wouldn't work. Let's check out this update site here. I don't think that's going to be it, but let's remove it. And that is removed. No, is it in assets maybe, just by any chance? Content, not in assets. Not there. Action logs, I don't think it's that. Is it down here? No. Well, how about that? All right, well, let's fall back here. Extensions, manage, and install. Install from the web. Install from, the web. Let's go Quantum, Quantum. We're very fortunate that I can still do the install here. All right, so let's install that. That is in there. Now let's go to extensions, manage, and manage. I'm sure this is because it's just an older version. Sort by ID here. ANT. And there it is. Okay, so what will we uninstall this time? Let's uninstall it all. All right, so whatever the issue was, that fixed it up because the back end is working. Okay. Okay, now what else have we got here? SP transfer, that's for transferring content from one Joomla site to another. I don't need that. So I'm going to uncheck those. In fact, let's just check SP here, just in case, because that's at the bottom of the page. There might be more that break across it. No, just these three. Okay. Let's uninstall that. Yes. Clear. Okay. Right. Actually, we've got fields here, content mode. Okay, admin dashboard by ComL. I'm going to disable that just for a second. And to see what we end up with. Okay, then we go back to the traditional core backend there. Yeah, so I'm going to uninstall that. That's a very nice one that we saw for customizing the backend. Don't use it on this site. So that's when I think Yannick was on showing us that. Was it Yannick? Yeah, Berge. Yannick Berge. And so we'll just remove that. DXFA package. Oh, that's for putting font awesome buttons in your editor. Do I have that working? Content, articles, add new article. Let's see here, content. And down in the bottom, font awesome 5. Yes. Let's see if I select that and click that and insert. Aha. Cool. I'm going to keep that on there. I actually considered buying a Font Awesome license the other day so I can use it on my sites and client sites. Mary's starting to use that on some sites regularly, the admin module for custom admin dashboard. Well, the one by Com3Ls? Mary, the one I just removed? All right, so I'm going to leave that. Let's go to page 3 here. Font awesome. There we go. Okay, so gantry. Here's some more gantry stuff. In fact, I should just search for gantry. All right, so I'm not using gantry template now, so I'll uninstall that. I should uninstall all extensions that are not updated since 2019. Possibly. You're just trying to make me break something, right? Because it's so entertaining. Yeah, they're probably a creative contact form. Interesting looking. Oh, a mouse over that creative contact. Oh, I'm getting a mouse over sort of, but it's a transparent window. Yes, I don't use that though. So do I have it even up there? Let's see, creative contact form. Oh yeah, that's something I had on there a while ago. But I don't use it, so I will take it off. And we will uninstall that. Yeah, sometimes when I work on other people's sites, I see stuff that's been around for a super long time, and I can tell it's something to take off. Google Calendar feed, I don't use that. I don't use Shack Article Manager. FP Live Clock, I think that was supposed to put a live clock somewhere up on, on the site somewhere. XB Autosave, I do use. This is Perfect Web Team. That's the easy layouts. I'm going to leave that on there. Oh, Sarah's posted something. Oh, it's gone. Jot Cache. Hey, I found out that Jot Cache does not play nicely with JD Page Builder. I was talking to Chayton the other day because I was having an issue with something. What else we got down here? All right, so these three that I'm going to uninstall those. Okay, making progress on to page 4. I'm shooting 50 a page, so we're into 200s now. Regular labs, I will leave that stuff on there, of course. Keep it back up. OBRSS, this Fubla. Yes, I think I've talked about that before. He just disappeared. And by disappeared, I mean just is not online anymore. The website is gone, so don't know if he retired or hopefully it was something happy like that or something happened to him. Yes. So Fubla, we will uninstall. JSitemap, we'll keep that, but uninstall Fubla. He had a really nice RSS feed, but it was forked and picked up by someone else too. There's has posted a link here to. Yeah, that's the one I just removed. Yeah, and it is nice. Yeah, or use modules in CSS, as Bjorn says. Yeah, Bjorn's become a real stickler for just doing things in CSS and core. So. Yeah, so that's the one I just removed. Yeah, that is a nice one. I'm just not using it on this site. I haven't gotten super fancy with that stuff yet. I show it, but I don't use it. Okay, RSForm builder, JSitemap, installer. I use RSForm. Yeah. Here's fields. Oh, these are all core. Getting into low numbers on the right hand side here. Open Graph Content Installer from the web. Yeah, that's the Open Graph Content. Oh, Source Coast. I'm not using Source Coast on here. In fact, were they at the bottom of the page here? I haven't updated that in a while either, so I'm going to. I just want to make sure. I'm going to view all 500 here, and I'm going to search the page for SOURCE, source coast. Social profiles, community builder, source coast. And then there's those there. And then that's that. So I'm going to remove that just because I have not updated in a while. And we don't need that there. Source coast, that they do great stuff for setting up. It's really nice for setting up Facebook comment boxes and likes and that. That's really, really excellent. JFBC or something like that. Yes. Okay. So now let's do this. Let's go to a Kiva backup, and I'm going to take a backup right here and right now, so I don't have to undo this, because I want to reverse that layout override that I have in the admin area. No cheese today. Orange and some crackers. And I made it to 110 last night, skipping. Tim has learned what, because I'm backing up. Where are we down to here? Oh, look at that. Just clearing out some of those images and some of those. That I've brought the site down to 78 megabytes. All right. So as I said, content, articles, add new article. I tried changing the order of the tabs. I was successfully able to do it, but I could not get the field tab over to here. So we're going to go to extensions, templates, open a new tab. We'll go into, so we'll go extensions, templates, templates. And we're going to go into view site. We'll go administrator. We're going to go into ISIS details. Now, somewhere I think this is where my overrides are. Or are they? All right, sirs, you take care. We'll see you on Slack. Thanks for coming by and being in chat today. If I create an override and do that here in the component, it shows up in HTML folder. In HTML, you're right. Okay, thank you, Bjorn. And so I believe it's these that I want to remove. So I'm going to go to Manage Folders. I'm going to go to HTML, Content Article. No. I want to somehow get into this file here. I don't think I want to do that. Oh yeah, delete file. All right, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete that file. Before I delete it, let's take a look at what we have in here. In case of modal. Somewhere in here. I wonder what I changed in here. Let's go and look in. Let's close this. Go to the C panel. Let's go to the File Manager. And we will go to Public HTML, Templates. No, Administrator. Templates. ISIS. And then it's going to be in now a lot of these things here sold November 24th, 2020. We go into HTML and then into content. February 12th. Okay. February 12th. This looks like when I was playing around with that. I'm going to do this. Content. I'm going to just delete the article folder. And I'm going to send it to the trash. Instead of sending it to the, I'm not going to skip the trash. I'm going to send it there. That means if I go back here and create a new article, no. Huh. All right. Oh boy, I got a lot of stuff in the trash here. Well, if I mess this up, I can always reinstall the core files in Joomla. Right. So, let's go public HTML and administrator, templates, ISIS, content is empty. Maybe it's layouts, wouldn't that be funny? All right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. Let's go to close this file. Going to go to close that as well. Going to go to extensions and templates. And going to view administrator, and I'm going to select Hather as the default. And now if I hit refresh, I get the Hather. I'm gonna excuse me. And now, okay, so I switched templates. Now I'm just going to go to Joomla. Going to go to my template folder here. I'm going to just delete ISIS. Delete. Now I'm going to go back into extensions, manage extensions, update. And then I'm going to go to find updates, clear cache, discover, let's see. No, I want to find where I can reinstall. Yeah. And I just actually having done this, it's like I'm thinking, oh, maybe what I want is not in here. Because I want to, components. Oh, this is it. Components, Joomla update. Reinstall Joomla core files. And sometimes this doesn't show up, so we have to refresh. Or do the search a second time. Let's reinstall the Joomla core files. We'll bomb those in there. Says it's connecting. Yeah, and I could copy the ISIS folder in from another site. But let's try this. Templates. And there, ISIS is back. Let's set it as the default. For some reason, it's not going as a default. Says yes. Oh, and we're back to that. Okay, so it's showing it there. Now, let's go to articles, new. Oh, my goodness. Womp womp. How on earth did I change this? Huh. How on earth did I change this? That's a real head scratcher. Maybe, did I actually go into the core and change this? Let's go, okay, so let's try this. Administrator components, content. Index.html, this is November 24th, no. Well, how about that? System folder of templates, okay. System. There's modules, but no. It's not there. No, I don't think it's the XML file. I wonder if it's in not administered components. Let's try it in components content. Layouts? No. Oh. Views? No. Don't see any change. No. Index each. No. Change. Let's see. Let's Google us. Where can I change the Joomla new article layout? Custom articles layout, Joomla, custom fields. There we go. Customize how to customize the administration area. No. And that's from 2008. So that's not the droids that I'm looking for. Somehow I've gone in and I remember looking at the Okay, how to customize. Well. All right. So when we're in here, we've got content, article, layouts. It really should be in the layout somewhere, right? Maybe it was a template. Administrator. Templates. ISIS. HTML layouts. Joomla. Form. Field. No. Oh, maybe it was. No. System. No. Toolbar. Let's just look in here. No. All right. Language last image. Be an admin. Nope. keep coming back to... Oh, okay, let's see. Thank you, Ivor. I have a Joomla site with lots of extra fields and custom fields area. When I edit my articles, the long list of fields is quite confusing, so I thought it'd be a good idea to show the custom fields in the back end in 2 columns. For example, images and fields. Com views article template. Com views article TMPL edit. All right. And ignore field set. Okay, so we've got it. Okay, administrator components, com content, views, articles. Administrator components, com content, views, articles. Oh, and there's 2 there. Let's close a few things I don't need here. Views, article, template. Views, article, template. And we are editing which file? Edit.php. Edit. Let's see if I've got some messy. I might have put notes in here. Well, in fact, let's first of all go Control A and X and save that. Let's see if that's what we're looking for here. Aha, that is the file. Thank you, Ivor. Because I removed that and now it's not anywhere. It just shows up empty. Okay. So I put this back in and save that. And now let's take a look at what I did in here, switching this around. I think I would have left notes for myself, but yes, that's the one, Ivor. Now I just need to find where I changed that layout. Or, as Bjorn pointed out, I could just copy this from another site. Okay, let's take a look at the code just very quickly here. Otherwise, I'm just going to do that. Core admin. Content slider editor config, load template associations. This is what I have changed. And since we know that that's the field, views article, let's just quickly go back here too into extensions, templates, ISIS, HTML, what's the file that you've got? There's administrator components. All right, well, let's just do this then. Let's go into a different Joomla. Let's go into this core foundation basic Joomla here. Wow, that's all I got in there? Oh, I think I moved it. That's why. Let's go to no secrets then. And we'll go to the same place. Administrator, components, content, views articles, views article. Whoops. See, I wonder why article template. Whoops, no, I don't want to download that. I want to right click and edit. I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to put it in here in this other one. Save. And then we'll refresh this new article. And it's back to the way that it should be. So obviously somehow in there I actually did get tinkering around and figured out the order to move things around. And but anyways, that's okay. I can live with that. Thank you very much for that help, you guys. To rule things out here. Ivor with the win in the forums there. Okay. Templates. All right, so let's go extensions, manage, and manage. And viewing them all here. Now I'm going to sort by ID with the lowest at the top. And these are all core user actions, Joomla platform, yep. Random image, we get down to here. Popular articles, yeah, there's lots here. I'm looking at the numbers on the right hand side. Okay, then we get into here. So, system, asynchronous Google Analytics. I'm not using that. Social profiles, there's another source codes one I'm not using. I use RS form. I just go down this list again. Regular labs, RS form, CLI manager. Yeah. These, I should probably publish these image manager ones from R2H. Or those actually, those are the older ones, versions 1.1.1. Yes, let's remove that. That's for an older version of R2H. Okay, and I see your link there, Bjorn, so let's check that after I remove these here. F, yeah. Regular labs, yep. Asteroid, leave that in there. Photograph, auto save, use that. Yep. Keep that button in there. Hold a meta, yep. Fields. I have 357. Captcha. Plugin installer, R2H, easy isotope library for easy layouts. Yeah, we'll keep that in there. Options manager, very cool. All right, so lib fields. I don't know what that is. Just for fun, I'm gonna take that out. That's from 2019. Library fields. Oh. Is that fields for creating a library for books? I forget. It's a very high number though. Well, it might be something I reinstalled. Ah, what the heck. I'm gonna do the first time I broke it today, right? All right. Let's see here. Whoops, a daisy. Copy, link, and we'll see what Bjorn has found here. Studio. Take out that out of the link. Which one is this? How to create a mod articles category override. Okay. Holy cow, that live stream's 3 hours long. Woo. In this video, you'll see how to create a mod articles category override in Joomla, making small changes at first and then using the free pricing table. Okay. I don't know if that's where, in the Altogether playlist, I don't know if that's where I actually did the... I don't think I actually ever made the override for the article tab order there. I don't think I did a video. Yes, I see it's my video. No, I knew that he was. I knew that you were posting a video to mine that you looked. Anyways, well, it is back. It is back the way that it should be. Oh, that's also, I was going to get rid of some of my test articles here. Also, oh, I don't need these management package fields either, I don't think. So let's do this. Let's go into content, fields. There's the Hotometa ones. I don't need that. Don't need this as a field. Or test field, test field. I also don't need these fields here. I'm doing something different now. I think I'm doing something different. Let's just see. Home, giveaways, pass. I think this is when I was playing around. So let's trash those. I have my Hotometa there, but I don't have it published. That's from a slideshow. Oh, I tried. Okay. Okay. Well, I actually talked to someone last year when I was at Forum for the Future. I think it was maybe Yannick Berge, and asked how to change the tab all the way over. To reorganize the tabs there. But anyways, and he told me a bit, but it was a bit above my pay grade as well. Categories, I don't have the categories there. Articles, article fields. Let's view the trash here. We'll empty the trash. Yep. Field groups. Don't need slideshow or management package. And the field tab, I'm going to trash that. And I will go and empty the trash. Now let's go to articles. And my most recent articles at the top. So test hiding email, test anchor, test video. Let's trash that. Let's go search for other articles that have test in them. Latest live stream testing this. That's it. And a table test. Let's trash that. Clear. Oh, here's where I had packages where I was playing around with the layouts in fields, I think. Yeah, that's going to be empty now. So let's take package 1, 2, and 3 out. And we'll trash that. Demo for mod articles category override. Load module. I don't think that this, let's check this page out. Yeah, we don't need that on there. So let's close. And we will go here and delete that trash. All right, so I think here's, why don't I, let's also view unpublished articles. Quick index sneak peek. Let's check that out. Okay. When did I do that? 2017. How to delete files in Foca delete. And that's unpublished for a long time. And this, I think, was a test. Yeah, lorem ipsum stuff. So I will go trash. And let's go into the trash. Lots of items in there. We'll empty the trash. Okay. So there's a whole bunch of things tidied up. And now let's go components, Akiba backup. We will do another default backup. And we will see how much the file size has gone down now. Post-processing, sending it to my Dropbox. I shaved off a couple hundred K. Let's go back here though. So we have GT metrics and page speed. So page speed mobile 14 and 51. Let's analyze that again. And this was 67 and 84. Let's try that again. Mm-hmm. $20 and 69. And so I think they both went up there. And here we got 69 and 85. It looks like it's pretty much the same. Remove unused JavaScript. If only it was that easy. Got YouTube. Base, yeah, YouTube. Look at that. 400K player. Ads by Google. Subscribe embed card. Yeah, see a lot of this stuff here. 5 seconds. If I were to change just my home page, content, and this is what the home page that I'm looking at. Let's exit trash. Let's go featured articles. If I take out just the reference to showing my latest video there, And to do that, I'm going to let's go up here to versions. Let's close here. I'm going to save this. And then I'm going to go into versions. Apps are slow today. Wonder what's going on. No, there's not a little big load on the server here. Just one of those lucky ones, I guess. Let's close some other things here. All right, so I'm going to go to versions. I'm going to keep this latest one. Huh? Interesting. Interesting that I didn't make any change, so it didn't save anything. Let's put a space there and go save. Wonder why that's saving so slow. All right. Now if I go to versions. Oh, okay. So there is one to save today. Okay. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to take this video out of here. I'm going to save that. And we'll go back to page speed under remove unused JavaScript here. Let's analyze this again. Zoom, 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 zoom. Remove unused JavaScript. Okay, we remove quite a bit there. The other thing that I have on the home page is this here. The subscribe button. That loads script as well. Because remove unused JavaScript. That's some more YouTube stuff in there. And ads by Google. Page ad. The only thing that would be showing ads on here, whoops, is going to be maybe this stuff here. So just for fun, let's go and close this. Go extensions, modules, in a different tab. Go clear. And I have SUB, subscribe, and I have 2 here. So I'm just going to unpublish those. And now we'll check that page again. Could be Google Analytics as well. That's pulling in some script there. We will see. Let's give this another retest here. So it goes back down to 16. Oh, and unused JavaScript is even lower now. We still have Google syndication page ad, ads by Google. I have jQuery there for basic Joomla and the Google Tag Manager. So that's what's doing analytics. But it's interesting. I wonder where the ads is coming from. Oh, now look at this. The serve images in next-gen formats. Faster downloads for these. I should do that on, I should put OCH responsive images and change things to WebP. That would go, well, impact of third-party cookies. Yeah, Google double clicks. Where the heck are these ads coming from on that home page? Interesting. Let's go here, refresh, view page source. I've got the Google API for the font. F3 GOOG Google API. Oh, and here's asynchronous source page 2 Google syndication page ad script. Window ads by Google. Push Google ad client. CA pub true. I wonder if that's something old that I've got inside my site here. Script. Head script Google Analytics Universal Snippet. Google site name markup. Yeah, that's all. That's fine. I got my snippet here. That's fine. Site. But this is actually calling ads by Google JavaScript. I wonder where that is. Extensions. It's a plugin. Google. No. Ads. No. Components. ACY mailing. Let's check out SH404SCF. See an Asteroid custom. Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea too. Extensions. Templates, open a new tab. Site. Template 1. We'll go there. Let's do its loading here. Just go configuration. Let's go by extensions. No. Analytics. Select enable or do not select to enable or not Google Analytics data collection due to Google Analytics Universal. Currently, none of the advanced. All right, so let's just try this here. I might be collecting the web property ID through this. So let's just save this here. Let's see if that makes a change before I look at the next one here. Oh, the performance went up to 86 and 88 on GT metrics there. All right, let's analyze this again. And while that's analyzing, we will go back to here and we'll click on custom. Oh, there it is. You are right. Bjorn, you are the winner this time. Script source page add to. So somewhere along the line I actually did a Google tag and that had it in it. All right, so let's take this out. All right. And I still have my tag manager and for analytics, which I am happy to live with. All right, so let's clear that. So that means here, well, we went up to 21, but we'll still have that there. So that's analyze. Let's do GT metrics again, retest. And of course, what I've talked about before in the past is with these subscribe things here, instead of making them actual links that are pulled from YouTube, I can actually do a screen capture of this and just make that a static image. Especially now that YouTube has changed how they record how many people are subscribed, because this just shows 2,000. So I only need to update this when it gets over 2,500. It'll start to round up to 3,000. So that's another great way to save time on the loading. So, all right, 86 and 91, and this page speed. Oh, look at that! Mobile jumped to 44 just to get rid of that one little thing. Dogs. All right. Well, that's good. Reduce initial server time response. Yeah, I gotta do something about that. Probably need to maybe do Cloudflare or something. Bring that up a bit faster. Eliminate. Yeah, I got font awesome. Okay. Well, some more things to do. That was 44 on mobile. 70. Look, just taking off that ads thing made such a huge jump. That's crazy. That is crazy. All right. Excellent. Well, I better turn this back on. All right. Let's go extensions and modules. Let's put the subscribe ones, publish those again. I'm going to go back into content and articles and go to featured articles. Hey there, Joomla fans. And then going to go back to versions, and I'm going to restore this one. And then I'm also going to take out that extra space that I put in there and save and close. And one last whirl for GT metrics. Let's retest that one with it back on, and we'll analyze this page again. And see what comes up. Bjorn, you use Cloudflare's nightmare when you update CSS. Needs purging cache, but it loads faster. Yes. Yeah. I also think that I'm using CDN on here. Extensions, plugins, CDN. Oh, I have used Regular Lab CDN. I've turned it off, though. I wonder if that'll still work. We'll give that a try. So GT metrics still at 73 and 84 without, just with that one thing. Page speed. Oh, I thought I analyzed that again. Yeah, back down to 21. And desktop stays at 78. First time interactive, 16.2 seconds. Remove unused JavaScript. Yeah, that's subscribe, embed, YouTube player, the base. Yeah, that's a big thing there. But that add one sure slowed things down. Okay. Hey, let's try the CDN here. And then, so we'll clean the cache. Let's fire up the home page there. All right. And let's go to GT metrics, retest, and let's analyze this again. Yeah, I think Cloudflare, I consider looking into that just for the ping time that gets lower. We'll see. Definitely worth something definitely worth looking in just to bring that speed down. 88 and 90 with the CDN on. 17 and 69. Yeah. So definitely, yeah, the initial server response time there. All right. Well, but the CDN is on because if I refresh this, the other thing too is that it still comes up fast on the on my page here. If we go inspect, and it is using CloudFront there. Okay, well, I think that takes care of it for today. I got a lot of things tidied up there, and that's going to be nicer for the site. And I just have to remember that when I'm doing tutorials, don't mess up my live site. Mess up a site that I've got installed just for the sole purpose of that particular experiment. Well, everybody, thank you for your help along the way, as usual. And ran into a few things we weren't expecting, which is as usual, and fixed them and found them and did things. So everybody that's still there, I've watched sort of the I have analytics on the channel here. I can see some people dropping off towards the end, and I don't blame them. But anyways, it was good to be together again. Remember, Maintenance Monday live streams are now going to be pre-recorded. So the next time I anticipate being live will be next Watch Me Work live stream. But you can also I'm going to have to be in the Slack channel more often. And what I need to do is make that a default program that opens up. So keep plugging away on my goals. Hey, I was working on a goal yesterday, getting a proposal together, getting organized for one of my maintenance packages for someone that's wanted one for a while. So I am plugging away on my goals for the new year. So for those of you that are still here, thank you very much. Bjorn's still here, I know. I think Ivor's probably still here. And anybody else who's here, I hope everything is well where you are. Be it morning, afternoon, evening, or tomorrow. And until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.